Hello there, non-nurturing Cancer. Nice to meet you. If you find it difficult to relate to this stereotypical description of your sign, which is someone who has a natural mother instinct, someone who will enjoy taking care of others and being there for others and is almost smothering other people with love, well, there could be multiple reasons for that, why you're not capable of identifying with that. There could be other aspects in your birth chart that point to a different character that we can explore in, let's say, in a complex horoscope reading, for example. If you're interested, you can see the details below. If you enjoy this type of content, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And without any further ado, let's see what deeper layers of Cancer we can explore here that maybe you will find more relatable, more accurate for yourself. So I'm going to give the cards a little bit of a shuffle. And let's see. Oh, the moon. All right. Okay, so I'm sure you're aware that the moon is of extreme significance to the sign of Cancer because Cancer is ruled by the moon. So seeing the moon card show up is honestly no surprise. So you're not relating to these archetypal, motherly, family-oriented, caretaking aspects of Cancer, but you're still, you know, the sun sign is the backbone of your birth chart. So there must be something to it. There must be something in there that really taps into some core mechanics that make you you, but something that goes beyond the stereotype. Now, the moon is an interesting card in the tarot because it's one of the most mysterious ones, and this card has a lot to do with illusions and dreams. And the most important thing I think that this card is tapping into is the influence of the subconscious, the intuition. So for you who is not overtly interested in nurturing and taking care of others, it's not your dream to have a huge family and a ton of children, and it's not within your interest to have people around you who you can mother and patronize, or matronize, should I say. For you, I think your Cancerness comes through in more creative and more artistic ways. For you, it's the creations of your fantasy, your imagination, your artistic talent that are your real children, so to say, that are truly important to you. So these are pseudo children, if you will, and you will find that in your life there are things that evoke that same parental caretaking instinct within you. They are just not people. They're not necessarily flesh and blood, real people, but causes or projects or things. And they most likely have to do with that fiercely intuitive gift that Cancer has, which is, well, it could be psychic abilities because Cancer is a naturally psychic sign. It could be art, music, film, creative endeavors that require the artist to take a journey into the depths of the subconscious. And what you will find as a Cancer, that your sensitivity is allowing you to go on these deep internal journeys that are somewhat psychedelic and perhaps anxiety inducing and unconventional and somewhat dangerous. But this is where you thrive. These bordering frontier realms of that reside between waking consciousness and the realm of dreams. These in-between states where there's lots of ambiguities, lots of unknowns, lots of obscurity. So it's as if your true creativity feeds upon uncertainty, insecurity, your own insecurities as well. You're not afraid to look those in the eye, to face them, and to feed off of them. And the children, the creations that are a result of this work, those you are really protective of, those you are really connecting with, and those you are capable of directing a lot of love energy onto or into. And so your instinct to foster and support is rather, I would say it's rather directed at your art than your friends or your family. And that's okay, because you should allow yourself to use this nurturing energy in whatever way you see most fit. I hope that you found this reading interesting or useful. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a comment, subscribe, like my video, and I hope to see you in another reading. Bye-bye.